If you want to start writing Python code the right way, you need the right tool, and PyCharm is one of the best free IDE out there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install PyCharm Community Edition on your Windows computer. To get started, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type PyCharm Community Download and press Enter. From search results, look for the link coming from jetbrains.com, that is the official source, and click on it. This will take you directly to the official PyCharm download page. This website automatically detects that you are on Windows, so simply click on the download button right here. Within seconds, your file will begin downloading immediately. If it does not begin automatically, you can manually trigger it by clicking on the direct link provided on the page. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just be patient and let this finish completely before moving on. Once download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Then, double-click on Installer to launch the PyCharm Setup Wizard. When Welcome screen appears, click Next to continue. This screen allows you to choose where PyCharm will be installed. I recommend keep this as the default location, then click Next again. From here, you will see a few installation options. I highly recommend checking this box for Create Desktop Shortcut. It will make it much easier to launch PyCharm later. Also, make sure you check this Add Bin folder to the Path box. This is important because it allows you to run PyCharm directly from the command line. After selecting both options, click Next. On the Start menu folder screen, just leave everything as it is and click Install to begin the installation. The installation is now in progress. This could take a few minutes, so just wait until it finishes. The installation is complete, so click Finish to close Setup Wizard. To open PyCharm, go to Desktop Shortcut, right-click on it, and select Open. Read through User Agreement carefully, then click Continue when you are ready. For Data Sharing Preferences screen, I will go ahead and click Don't Send for now. You can choose whatever you prefer here. Since this is the very first time PyCharm is launching, it may take a moment to fully load. Just wait until everything is ready. Once PyCharm opens, click on New Script to create your first Python file. If Python is not yet installed on your computer, PyCharm will detect that and prompt you to install it. Go ahead and click Yes. PyCharm will handle the installation for you. Once Python is installed, you are now ready to start writing and editing your Python scripts. When you are ready, go ahead and run script by clicking this button. As you can see, the script runs successfully. And that is exactly how you can download and install PyCharm Community Edition on your Windows computer.